Okay, to get started, I just added a video clip with an audio clip under it to my timeline. Now to increase the volume, make sure you have your audio clip selected and then go up to Windows, Window Effect Controls. In Effect Controls, you'll see an option for volume, and under that you'll find a level setting. This is a setting you should use to adjust a clip's volume. In this setting, first of all, you need to turn off this toggle animation, then increase the volume of the video. Okay, now we play this back, our volume will be louder. Another way to increase the audio is by increasing the gain. To do that, make sure your audio clip is still selected and drag your cursor on this value of volume. You can play around with this value and you can adjust your desired volume by this setting. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Give this a thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.